Bukawe is the first-class urban municipality in the province of Bulacan, Philippines. The municipality of the Bukawe lies 24.5 kilometers northeast of Manila via the General Arthur MacArthur Jr. Highway and is located at the mid-southwestern portion of Bulacan. The town is bounded on the north by the municipalities of Balagtas and a portion of the municipality of Santa Maria by the municipalities of Marilao and Obando on the south. A large portion of Santa Maria on the east, a portion of the municipality of Bulacan on the extreme southwestern side, a portion of Balagtas on the western side. The town's name comes from the Old Tagalog word Bukawe, which refers to a type of long bamboo. The town was officially established as a town in April 11, 1606 by Franciscan friars, as was carved out from Mikawayan. It is the first town granted independency from the old Mikawayan, then a very large town comprising the present Mikawayan, Marilao, Pandi, Santa Maria, San Jose del Monte, Obando, Valenzuela. Good day everyone, my name is Trisha. I'm your tour guide for today. First, I would like to give you some safety precautions. First, please always check the time. Second, please keep an eye on your belongings. Third, please keep your trash in the proper disposal. Our next destination is St. Martin of Tours Parish Church, otherwise known as the Diocesan Shrine. It's one of the oldest churches in the province of Bulacan. The reputed Mahal na Krus na Wawa, beloved Holy Cross of Wawa, is kept here. The Feast of the Holy Cross of Wawa is a festival held on the first Sunday of July. Observed in honor of the Holy Cross of Wawa, a relic which is said to have saved the life of an old woman drowning in the Bukawe River. The main feature of this fiesta is what is called the pagoda, a gaily decorated structure riding on the huge bangka, which glides along the said river. People from all walks of life enjoy the ride on the bangka, with the pagoda feasting on sumptuous food with religious music is played. Bukawe is traversed by the Bukawe River, a tributary of the Santa Maria River from the Angat River. The main source of Angat River and its tributary is the Sierra Madre mountain range. Along this river are many man-made fish ponds used for raising and farming fish like the bangus and tilapia. There are 3 road crossings in town that are heavily welcome guests during the rush hours. Lulumboy, Wakas, and Bukawi road crossings. The Bukawi River runs through most of the town, and the Bukawi Museum is located near the center. The Bukawi River Festival is celebrated on the first Sunday of July. During the River Festival of July 2, 1993, tragedy struck when around 500 people rode the floating pagoda of the miraculous Holy Cross of Wawa, way beyond its capacity, causing it to sink, killing more than 200 people. Despite the lives lost, no one has been made accountable for the tragedy. This accident may become known as the Bukawi Pagoda tragedy. Bukawi is also famous for its Bukawi liempo, crispy pata, rellenong bangus, and various sorts of rice cakes embroidered barong Tagalog and Filipiniana outfits. Now, we're here at the Dolores store where you can buy the delicious pasalubongs for your family or relatives. The famous chicharon in Bulacan. Later, I will give you enough time to buy pasalubongs. Bukawi is about 27 kilometers north of Manila via the North Luzon Expressway and the Bukawi exit in Barangay Toro. The town is the center route for the highway that provides fast transportation to Metro Manila. Its major industry is fireworks, making it the fireworks capital of the Philippines. On the morning of 31st December 2007, 10 fireworks stores burned in Barangay Toro, Bukawi, causing a serious explosion within the area, injuring 7 persons. Once again, my name is Trisha. I hope that you guys enjoy our trip for today. Have a safe trip home. Bye. Thank you.